I'm going to show you how to fix the cumulative update error not installing in Windows 11. So let's start. It's pretty quick, simple and easy. For the first step, go to the Windows search bar, type in settings. Now when this pop up, go to the left menu, select Windows Update. You can try selecting download and install all, or if you have failed updates, select retry all. See if that works. If not, go to update history, click it, and then scroll down. You can see the install, uninstall updates or recovery. Select uninstall updates. If you do know what updates that possibly made the error, you can uninstall it from here. If not, go back and go to recovery. You can select fix problem using Windows Update, select reinstall now. That will automatically reinstall the current version of Windows, or you can just select the first option. After that, select other troubleshooters. Now you can select Windows Update, select this run button and see if that works. If not, for the next step, go to the search and type in cmd. Make sure to run it as an administrator. Now once you're here, make sure to type in this command and hit enter. That way any corrupted file and any glitch will be automatically fixed. Wait for the process to finish and hopefully your problem is fixed. Now for the last method, go to the search and type in services and then run as an administrator. This will open, so select the W hotkey in your keyboard and search for Windows Update. Double click on it, leave it as automatic in the startup type, and then you most likely will find the service status as stopped, so you need to click start. After that, select apply and OK. Now right click on the Windows Update service and then select restart, and that's it. Hopefully the problem is fixed. If not, make sure to tell me in the comment section, and make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.